Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a job offer letter. This letter is a formal document issued by an employer to a selected candidate, offering them a specific position within the company. You'll start your job offer letter with your company's official letterhead, including name, address, contact number, email, and website. Beneath that, you'll mention the date and clearly address the candidate by name and mailing address. Then include a subject line stating the job title offered. Begin the letter with a professional greeting using the candidate's first name. After that, write, "We are pleased to offer you the position of job title at company name reporting to the manager's title. Based on our discussions and your qualifications, we believe you will make a valuable addition to our team. Your starting salary will be salary amount per month year with additional benefits including mention key benefits e.g. health insurance, paid time off. Your anticipated start date is start date. This offer is contingent upon the successful completion of any conditions such as background checks, reference verifications, etc. Please sign and return a copy of this letter by acceptance deadline to confirm your acceptance. We look forward to working with you and supporting your success at company name. Sincerely, your full name, your job title." This is our sample job offer letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the offered position, compensation details, start date, and any employment conditions. The letter sets the foundation for a positive employer-employee relationship by communicating expectations and showing enthusiasm about the new hire joining the team. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and professional business letters.